Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 Qigong exercises which will help to encourage the open free flow of Qi or energy around the belt vessel, which is the one that goes around the center of the body here. It's the only one of what's called the extraordinary vessels in traditional Chinese medicine and Qigong that runs horizontally across the body. So if you want more information on this belt vessel, or it's also called Dai Mai in Chinese medicine, then please look at the text which is next to this video. So just to begin with, we will start by having the feet shoulder width distance apart, knees slightly bent, nice and relaxed in the shoulders, arms nice and relaxed, give them a little shake out. Tucking the chin back towards the throat, bringing a smile to the corners of your mouth. And now closing your eyes, just to begin with some abdominal breathing. So breathing in and out through the nose, the mouth is closed. As you breathe in, feel the belly expand. And as you breathe out, feeling the belly shrinking. Breathing in, as though you're blowing up an imaginary balloon inside your belly. Expanding in all directions, and then breathing out in your mind's eye, seeing that balloon shrinking. And one more time, breathing in through the nose and breathing out. And then opening the eyes. So the first Qigong exercise I'm going to show you is a static exercise. And all you need to do from this standing position is turn the palms to face down towards the ground. So the palms are parallel with the ground. The elbows are straight, not too tense, but they are straight, they're not loose, and the elbows are close to the sides of the body, not out like this. And closing the eyes now, and in your mind's eye, visualize the palms of your hands and your fingers. Notice any sensations in your palms, any change in temperature, any tingling, any pulsation. Do you notice that the hands, as you pay them a little bit more attention, maybe feel bigger, a little bit more swollen? And next, bring your mind to the ground or the floor, directly beneath your palms. In your mind's eye, see that area of the ground or the floor, and think of the palms connecting to that part of the ground or the floor. You may want to just press down a couple of millimeters with the palms and notice whether or not you feel any sense of resistance or connection or magnetic energy between your palms and the ground. This works really well if you do it outside in nature. You feel the energy or the qi from the ground coming up to meet the palms. And just standing, breathing, using your abdominal breath in and out through the nose. Smiling. And feeling that connection between the lower half of the body and the upper part of the body. The upper half connecting through the palms, the lower half connecting from the ground up through the legs. And the two joining around or at Dai Mai, at the belt vessel. And just a few more breaths. Keeping your mind on that connection between the palms and the floor. And now relaxing the hands, letting them go. Just loosely by the sides, opening the eyes. And smiling. And just observe what you feel in your hands and your arms right now. The second exercise I'm going to show you to encourage this flow of qi around Dai Mai, the belt vessel, is starting with the hands around at the back of the body. So I'm just going to show you the position of the hands right now. I'll turn around right now for you. So the hands resting on the lower back area. And now with the knees slightly bent, feet shoulder width distance apart, we're going to move the arms, just let them drop down the back of the body and then bring them around the front, hinging forward from the hips, keeping the shoulders relaxed. Backs of the hands come towards each other but not touching. And then at this point at the front, turning them over, palms facing, and now drawing the whole of the body back, the arms back, in towards Dantian, into our energy center in the lower abdomen, placing the hands on the belly, and now moving the hands around the belt vessel to the back, encouraging that lovely flow of qi, dropping the hands down, drop the shoulders, bringing the arms around, palms facing each other, inhaling, drawing qi into Dantian, exhaling around the belt vessel. Inhaling, exhaling, arms come around. Inhale, and aim for a lovely smooth movement. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale at the back, exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now just allowing the hands to drop down, breathing normally. Close the eyes for a moment and observe any sensations you might feel in the arms and the hands or around that abdominal area and into the lower back. Opening the eyes and moving on now to the third exercise, which is called knocking on the gates of life. And I've taught this before in a previous live Qigong lesson. Some of you may have done this with me in the past. So we're starting from the ground up with the lower half of the body in order to initiate this movement. So all you're going to do is just begin to twist in the knees and the hips from one side to the other, keeping the upper half of the body really relaxed. And you feel that lovely twist in the lower back area and also a little bit more mobility in the hips. And as you increase the amplitude of this movement, you'll start to notice that the arms are swinging a little bit further out to the sides and then hitting off the front and the back of the body, the lower abdomen and the lower back area. So just allow that to happen. And this impact of the forearms on the lower part of the body, front and back, helps to encourage lovely open flow of qi around Dai Mai, the belt vessel. It's also really stimulating and invigorating for the kidney area. And it's a lovely spinal twist. So anyone with any kind of back issues or wants to feel a little bit more mobile in the back, it's a nice safe exercise to perform because you don't have to go fully twisting to one side or the other. You can just do very small movements like this. Just be very gentle with yourself. Or you can give yourself a little bit more of a stretch and a workout like this. And as you do this movement, You're not consciously moving the shoulders or the head. They're only moving as a product of what's going on as you turn the hips. So it's all very relaxed. Breathing normally in and out through the nose, using your abdominal breath. And you can do this for as little or as long a time as you want. What you can also do is vary it a little bit, and you can do this while you're walking as well. So if I just come to the side, I can show you just walking along, one step, one step, one step. Just being very relaxed with it, turning and stepping. This is a great practice to do if you're in the park or walking on the beach where maybe there's not too many people around. But if you don't care what anybody thinks, then just go for it. And then just coming back, reducing the amplitude of the movement and allowing your body to come back to your Qigong standing position. Closing the eyes, smiling, noticing any sensations that you feel in the body right now. And also paying attention to how your mind is. Is it very busy? Is it a little bit clearer, more focused, more relaxed? Breathing in and out through the nose to finish with a few abdominal breaths. Maybe placing one hand on the lower belly, the other hand directly on top of that, relaxing the shoulders and smiling. Slowly opening the eyes. Thanks very much for watching.